Hey everybody, this is Peter from Guitar Travels, and in this vlog I'm gonna show you how to get from Cherni vrah, or translated Black Peak, the highest point of Vitosha mountain, down to Aleko, and from there to Hotel Moreni, which is the first stop of the bus line 66. From here, 2290 vertical meters, I'm expecting about 500 meters of a down climb, and this is pretty much the fastest way to get down from Cherni vrah or Black Peak. So this vlog is gonna be relatively short, but very important. It's quite windy today, Tuesday, November 7th. It's 2 p.m. and it's cold and windy, but it still feels like late summer. So I'm gonna do this vlog now. Let's go. So this is the peak where this person is standing over there, and we're gonna take it towards Sofia to the north. Here we're crossing the very early streams of the river that goes down the plateau and down the mountain, and it's named Boyanska river, and a little bit down the mountain it creates one of the most visited places in Vitosha mountain, which is the Buyana waterfall. You can check out my vlog about it. So the river starts from here. Crazy, right? Okay, this is an important junction. The road goes that way to the peak Golyam rezen, one of the highest peaks here in Vitosha mountain. We have been there on a previous vlog, so we're not gonna go that way now. Straightforward, going down to Aleko. I'm almost nearby Aleko, and from the start at peak Cherni vrah it has been 40 minutes sharp. The distance is 3 kilometers and 200 meters. There is no positive climb, just 480 vertical meters of a down climb. It's a very fast and nice walk down. This is the international E4 red mark path. I have a vlog that goes over the Bulgarian section, the whole route, and this is Aleko. So from here I'm gonna just take it to the next landmark, which is Hotel Moreni, and Hotel Moreni is the first stop of the bus line 66 that goes down to Sofia city. So you can check out how to get there in my next vlog. Peter from Guitar Travel showed you how to get from Cherni vrah to Aleko.